Someone going from here to here in just 8 months. Grade 5, loss of hair to head full of hair in just 8 months. By full of hair, I do not mean the same density which was there before, but what I mean to say is having a decent volume of hair with lots of confidence just in 8 months. So let us discuss today one of our esteemed patients with whom his hair loss journey we are about to discuss. Patient's age is 25 years. He came to us with expectation that some hair would be better in the hairline, but the main thing was he wanted better hair in the mid-scalp. Now you are about to see his photographs on the day of surgery, 3 days after surgery, 5 months after surgery, and then 8 months after surgery. Do not forget to see the combing video also. When he came to us for transplant consultation, he wanted to see how he would look after surgery before actually undergoing the surgery. So he took help of PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. Just 3 very simple steps. He downloaded the app, he uploaded his pictures after giving some answers to the queries written there, that the front view and the top view only. Then he received his pictures from us in just 24 to 48 hours, showing his tentative results and also telling him how many grafts would be required by him. Now, before undergoing surgery, we always do a trichoscopy examination, which means computerized assessment of your donor hair and the rest of your scalp, along with proper graph paper measurement of your recipient area. So when we saw his backside, the donor area, we saw that the area of donor was around 159 centimeter square. The density was around 86 grafts per centimeter square. So we had in total around more than 13,000 grafts. So easily we could take around 40% grafts from there. So anywhere around 5,400 grafts were easily available to us if required. Now calculating the recipient area. The front area calculation was around 29 centimeter square. The mid area, which was of his most concern, was around 63.5 centimeter square. So we wanted to give a density of 40 centimeter square to his front, which made total number of required grafts around 1,100 and a density of 32 for the mid scalp, which made the required grafts around 2,032. That way around 3,200 grafts were required by him overall. In the comment section below, you can write your grade of baldness and you can ask any question regarding your hair transplant procedure. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I am an American board certified hair transplant surgeon, and today we are discussing case of a 25 years old male who underwent a hair transplant and his results at 8 months after the surgery. Now on your screen you can see the total number of grafts which he had and how many 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair grafts. So how many total number of hairs he had. So in a nutshell, the total trichoscopy report. If you want a personalized hair transplant plan for yourself, you can call us on the numbers below, or you can have a consultation with us with the link in the description. Now a word about who is the right candidate for a hair transplant procedure. Now we all must understand that male pattern baldness, if there are bald areas, hair transplant will help us grow hairs in those bald areas, and for the hairs which are still there, we need medical treatment to keep those hairs in their place. Because if we undergo hair transplant and we do not take medical treatment, the rest of the hairs will grow and your result will become thinner. So surgery which is done does not restore the full density of what you had before, because we can take a limited number of grafts from the back, and those grafts are required to serve the front and mid scalp up to the crown. Therefore, the average density is always less post hair transplant, but they are put in such a artistic way that the hair looks good and the scalp looks covered. Also, one important thing is that above age 25, we always expect you to understand, the younger the patient is, the more he would like to get his hairline lower as he had before. But since the transplanted hairline usually remains where it is, it looks bad if you keep on having the same lowered hairline when you grow older. Therefore, having a mature hairline from the very beginning is one of the good steps taken at the time of hair transplant. So I'll leave you at that. Do not forget to share this video with somebody who needs hope with hair transplant. If you want to see the results of a 5,000 graft hair transplant, you can click the link on the left, and for the cost of 3,000 grafts hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.